Okay, let me see. Am I here on or not? I think it's okay. Oh, that's really great. Yeah. It's working. Okay, let's get started from where we left yesterday. So the database was database. Okay. Use world. I think there is a table I had created yesterday. Okay. Yeah, fine. So the thing is product. The table was product. So I really want to do something different today. Let me see the questions or the problems. Okay, so I first of all want today is the aggregation and join operation basically. Yeah, this is very good example. So there are different SQL aggregation command exactly present, such as sum, division, so basic or mathematical, and also count is one another. We have, I think I tried yesterday. So let's create another table. Okay, so create table name will be purchase. Okay, create table name, and it will write in small case purchase. It will be var 255, yeah, and date. Okay, I think date should be the data type. I have to write date. Okay, that's fine. But should I mention the date format? That's very interesting. I have to see it. But this data is here. Small case. Price. Okay. Should I give you money? Yeah. And quantity. QUNTIT. Or quantity will be in integer 16. I don't know it will work or not. Let's see. Yeah, I knew it. So what is the error? Manual correction is the right syntax. MONEY. Okay. Money is not a data type. Okay, I have to see it then. As per theory, I know money is a data type. Means SQL money data type. Let's see this. Money data type. In SQL. Yeah, that's correct. Sell someone money. MOY, that's fine. Okay, I think the syntax used near the money. Let me see here. Maybe the date data type also maybe false. How can I use the date data type? Okay. Create table process. Okay. Okay, first of all, this is a table name that is have the column process. It will be really complicated now. So I want to use here product. This is making the complication maybe, but it is written here near money the problem. I think this version of SQL I think don't follow the money data type, maybe, or should I have to mention the date? That's really interesting. Turn off this. Let me, okay, date should be date. Okay, that is really important. I have to mention that. So now I will remove machines. Okay, I am stuck here, but let's see. Oh god, that's problem. So what's the issue in here? Should I mention here? Okay. Yeah, that's all correct. Okay, that's all correct. So the issue is, I think it exists with money. Okay, so price, let's see, float, maybe float, then 16. Yeah, it, I think this version of SQL doesn't support the money data type. Okay, that's all I have now. Let's make some entry and do the experiment. Okay, fine. Yeah, so let's see, insert into table name. I think this is purchase. Yeah, table name purchase, and let's see here, the columns are product, date, price, and quantity. Yeah, that's fine. So values are, what is the product? Okay, first product is, let's say, Oreo. Okay, and it should be written in this quotation. Okay, next date. I think the date format is like, it is month is first, then okay, so 01/01/25, let's say. I'm just assuming. Price, I hope it is like just a random number, 12.2. Yeah, and quantity is maybe I should write here 2. Yeah, and okay, let's say incorrect value for 25, so it means it should be 2025. Okay, so it should be like this. That means incorrect date value. Okay, date value is incorrect. Okay, so 2025 here, 01/01. Nah, it is still not working, so let me I have to check it again. Yeah, it is fine, no? No. Yeah, I have to use the old dash. Incorrect date value 2023 for column date. So where I have written the 2023, I have not written anything. Okay, it means I have to use this as a constant value. Okay, a single quotation. If I use a single quotation, it will be a constant. Yes, that is correct. So let's see, SELECT, select start from the table name TURC, say C. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so the format of date is definitely YYYY, and 01, and month. I think this is month. Yeah, month and date. So this is the format, and let's save it here. CEO callout, important, format of for date type is okay, YYYY, month and PP, and within the quotation, single quotation. Okay, that's really important. And the money isn't supported here. Okay. Next thing is if I purchase BANA banana chips, yeah, fine. So okay, let's change the date something somewhere. That is not a big thing. So it will cost around, I think, the 5. I don't know what is the exact money. I'm not interested on that, but okay, 3. Okay, that's also possible. After it, oats on the same date. Let's say I have used 50 and 1 quantity. Yeah, that's fine. And let's say on the same day I have also purchased the potato. Yeah, or 10 quantity is equal to 1 FNA unit. That's fine. And again, let's see what can I do. Okay, that's important, I think. Again, I have purchased, let's say, potato on 22. Now this time is for 20 and 2. Yeah, and again, let's say I have purchased chips on let's say on 28 for 10 or 15, let's say 15 for 9. Okay, let's see. So let's start from table name PUR process. Okay, but I have, let's see, PUR. Okay, from, okay, it's fine. It's fine. There is a quantity. Okay, banana chips is repeating, potato is repeating, banana chips is not repeating, Oreo is not repeating, potato chips and repeating. Okay, I want to update this banana chip. So how can I update? First of all, I have to write the table name PURCH update. No, not like this. Update product. Update table name. It will be table name. Update purchase. Set PRODUCT product is equal to chips CHIPS. So let's say chips like this. Chips where what is unique here? I don't know. There is no ID on here. Primary ID is not given. But where price is equal to 5, I can write that. Here I see price is equal to 5. Okay, purchase set max and things are sensed. Yeah, fine. So let's say, oh, what can I So if I want to find the total cost of what I have purchased in this month, okay, of January. So if I want to find the total cost, so how can I find that? So definitely I have to multiply such thing, first of all, price and quantity. So the select query will be there. Select let's say I have to sum this, and I have to multiply price and quantity. Okay, from table name is purchase. Yeah, let's see. Okay, there is a typo error. When TITY, this is fine. Okay, fine. Okay, debit. What if I want the price up to second decimal point? How can I find that? How can I find that? It will be also important. So it's really bad. For an aggregation, what people are doing exactly that? So there is another function is given. Yeah. So that function is round. Okay. That function is round, and I have to use this function up to second decimal point. So I think it will be fine. Okay. So now exactly I want up to third decimal point. Okay. It's also interesting that when I use this third decimal point, I'm getting the same result. It is really interesting to see. So I have also got some interesting things from here. So let's see. I can write an array. Alice, like this is the total TOTL total cost. Yeah, and again, if I want to find that, I have to multiply these two attributes. Yeah, where product is equal to, let's say, chips, PRODUCT, product is equal to CHI, capital C, chips. Yeah, fine. And also if I want to find how amount cost, okay, R is going to be cost of, or I want to find my average cost. Yeah, ABC, average of the price into QN PI quantity from here, and as okay, that's interesting. Okay, I have rounded here this, where product is equal to this, but as average price will be as ABC, average price, okay. And also if I want to find that the maximum price, okay, let's say maximum of the price, okay, as maximum high cost, okay. That is really interesting, but I don't know it will work or not. There are some error here hidden, I know it. Okay, near, right syntax to use near as chips cost. Chips cost. Okay, here is the error now. Here is the error. So from purchase is a table, yeah. So let's see this. Okay, so let's break down in the top from the part by part. Let's break down it. Okay. So first of all, I have rounded this. So if I want to find that the total amount of chips, okay. So let's say WH here where price is, let's say the product, okay, product here, product is chips, okay, capital C, yes, okay. Okay, the error is here. And what is the error? From purchase. I got it. That means I have to I have to use this. Okay. Okay. Conditions should be, yeah, in the last line. So that it means I have spent it. Okay. this amount. So if I want to find that, okay, so let's say I'm just eliminating this. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, can I find that exact number now? Maximum price is high cost from purchase average. Okay, let's see. Yeah, still there is an error, but again the error here, the error is from the last thing. I think it is not supported in this version, or maybe it is the latest version, not say of SQL. So no, I have written something wrong here. This is the average now, and if I find the average, I have to round it. Okay, first of all, I have to round it now. That's the thing. Max price. Yeah, it works. Okay, so I was wrong exactly. Total cost, average price, and high cost. It is possible. Okay. So it is creating a temporary table of these three attributes. These three attributes are forming a new temporary table where I can extract those data, and these are very meaningful data for a business perspective. Okay, again let's see. Okay, I was wrong here. First of all, I was wrong here, and it means I have to write here 2, and let's see what I have to write here. I have to write here again 2 because I'm rounding now, but it will not work maybe. Let's see. Yes, definitely it's cost. Okay, that is the main as high. Okay, that is the main error now. Some quantity where products is equal to chips. It will work, definitely it will work, but here it will not work. Or maybe I am wrong. I have to check this because as chips cost COS. Nah. It's not working. It's not working. So okay. to check it. Okay, chips cost COST. So let's see this on the Copilot where the error is coming here. Okay, yeah, there is syntax error where clause should not be placed between the function. Instead you should conditional aggregation to calculate the chips cost. Okay, I don't know this how it is done, but let's see what is written here. First of all, I have found the total cost, that is fine. Okay, that's really different. First of all, I have rounded, that's the simple thing. Then sum, there is a case when product is equal to chips, yeah, then price into quantity I have to multiply, else 0. And similar to the assembly programming, I have to write here an AND flag, and others are same. Okay, it means this is a conditional programming and it will not work, the where is not work in this kind of statements. Okay, that's a good thing I have figured out. It's a really good thing. I have to try it. So case means, okay, definitely it will if else, like in any other programming language, it will create a scenario like that. And let's see, when product, okay, I have to write here the chips, and if it is chip, then I have to multiply that the total cost formula quantity, and if it is not, else it will be 0. Okay, that means the summation is happening throughout everything. So where there is no chip, it is summing up 0, and if there is a chips is appearing in that particular variable, so it is just multiplying and again summing. First of all, the thing is the SQL is executing that, or the checking the table in a sequential manner, like any other programming languages. That's really, I like it. I really like it. Become too messy, but what can I do now? So it will not work. This is an error, first of all, as seed cost. So I think here I don't have here any have I added any? I think the Alice is here. I think it is not visible. Okay. What's happening? Yeah, as ships cost, and the rounding is also, they have down. It have rounding there also. Okay, done the rounding. That's not a big problem. So I can do it. Now. It's a challenge now. So what I have to do, I have to sum. Okay, first of all I have to sum, but using a condition. As ships also will be there, Alice will be there. So let me check. I have to create a temporary code now. So what I will how I have to do is and how I will do. The first I have to create a case, and I have to write here when. Yes, when the column here the product is equal to, let's say, chips. Yeah. Then I have to multiply its price. Here I see price and quantity. QUNTITY, definitely. I have to multiply the price and quantity. Okay, and else it will be 0, and so the sum is done. Okay, and rounding will be 2. Yeah, rounding will be 2 as chips cost. Yeah, that's working now. So this is how I have to do it. Very interesting, very interesting. Now I'm not going to beyond it, so I have to practice lots more. That means, and okay, let's see this. Okay, there is another grouping and aggregation problem. So let's see this. Select, but I have to select, first of all I have to select the product name and their price and its price. First of all, product and its total price. Basically total price is, I think, the price into quantity, price multiplied by quantity, that will be the total price, as total price. Okay, from the table name is what is the table name? Purchase. Okay, let's say where there is a condition where date is greater than, let's say, okay, will it work? No, it will not work. So here comes first, no? Here comes first, then one, and then this. And I am writing here group by. Will it work? No, definitely. Okay, there is this typo. You see OUP. Okay, it is working. Okay. So that means if I want to find the total cost for chips, total cost for oats, and total cost for potatoes, I can find that. So I think this is the amount for chips. So select product. First of all, I have to select the product and also price. Okay, so I have created here another table or another attribute, that is total price. Purchase by date is equal to greater than 1. Okay, if I include this also, that is greater than and equal to, it will also come. The Oreo also will be there. So group by product means they are combining. Okay, they are combining the product, and I think for total price there is also another problem, that I have to round it. Problem is not a big. I have to just round it to up to 2 decimal points. So let's see here. So it is also a new thing I have figured out. I can also do this. That's a very interesting thing, huh? Okay. So there is another clause here that is called having clause. So having clause contains conditions on aggregations. So they are having provide conditions on aggregation. Let's say some quantity is greater than 2. Having and some. So it means whose quantity is first of all we have said that whose date is 1/1/2025, and also we have grouped those product. If the product appearing multiple times, we have adjusted it such that it appears only one time. And also the having gives another condition that the quantity of that product in a particular month, okay, that must be greater than 2. For example, the chips and potato, let's see, where is here? Okay, this is the chips and potato, the total is greater than 2. I can say 9 plus 3, 12. Potato, 2 plus 1, 3. Oats is only 1, Oreo is only 2. So that's why it is not appearing in this table. That's again giving me another filtering option. Okay, I have filtering the data. I'm applying the new conditions so that I get the deeper insights of this. Yeah, that's fine. Now we can also delete some data, we can update the data. That is very simple. Update, delete. But this is really complicated, the group by theme, and okay, we have to practice a lot more, definitely. But still I am confident in how can I create a temporary table, how can I find average, how can I find the summation, okay, and how can I use this alias to create a temporary table. So alias are really important, and also it will not work if the alias is not work. Alias doesn't work with the where clause. Okay, so it is better to use case when then clauses better rather than using the where clause. Okay. This is the temporary table. Again, we have seen that how if I have purchased a product, okay, throughout the month multiple times, okay, how should I group it? How should I group it so that we can see the total cost for the particular product? So in that case, we just have to use the group by. But this is really interesting. I have to select this product. Okay, that's really important. Again, at the beginning, okay, I just use this. Okay, that's not a big thing. Okay, in this version, the money is not working. So that's all about today, because I don't have any other questions or problems. As far as I know, I don't have any other problems or questions. So if new problems arises, so I will definitely like to do. That's all.